What's going on again, YouTube? Today, what'd you say? It was a 2008? We got a 2008 Chevy Cobalt. And, yeah, got an issue going on here. We are going to replace fuel pump. Now, let's have a look at what's going on back down under here. Yeah, you see all that? And it is still continuing to drip. So we got to drop the fuel tank, put a fuel pump in this thing because yeah, got a bad spot on the pump. By the way, this is my crazy Uncle David. He goes by Cowboy. He is no stranger to YouTube. That's for sure. He may look a little bit older than, how many years ago was that video?
That was 2010, I think.
Good Lord. So that obviously it's been a long time ago. So he was exploding an egg in a microwave, telling the story on my brother's channel. Yeah, we'll have to drop a link to that video. But we're going to help him install a new fuel pump. And you said, let's see. Now supposedly with these things, there's a recall because it breaks right here. And supposedly this is where it's broke at, and it's leaking here somewhere. So we're gonna try to get this fuel pump in here, get all the gas off the floor, and hopefully get him going back down the road. So I am just here for assistance and tools basically, but he watched some YouTube videos and knows how to do it, so we're gonna tackle it.
Huh?
Yeah, forget the jacket. Ugh. Give her hell.
Getting more dirt than anything else.
There we go. All right.
Well, just leave it like it is, maybe. I don't know. Oh, shit.
I don't know about anybody else. I liable to have the munchies after I'm done with this shit.
Yeah, it'll be hard. This is better than weed. This is better than weed.
Well, I guess.
Yeah, it's better than weed, huh?
It's probably more expensive. The thing of it is, I can't see this other bolt.
Oh, boy.
Oh, shit. Lord, please spare me a battery impact wrench.
This is one thing that broke on it before.
Lord be, I wish I had some power tools.
Oh,
I wouldn't be wrenching under here like this.
Get an impact, get an air compressor. The gasoline one probably worked, wouldn't it?
Snap-on, please sponsor me. Marco, I don't even care.
Yeah.
Cobalt tools, I don't care. Somebody hook me up with a daggone impact. Alright, I'll just stick that sucker right there. Alright, so here's the one strap.
Let's do it the same way. So you need to face the same way you know how to do it.
Huh?
I need to lay it the way the front and back way.
Yeah, I'm gonna lay it right there like that.
That's why we know it came off that way.
You need a different extension or that?
Small one.
How small? Like 3 inches?
See, like right here, probably about 4 or 5 inches. But then if I put it on and you could probably get it your way.
How about that? Can you get that one or no?
See, it's too short still, see?
Well, this is gonna have to work now.
Hey, don't talk about 4 or 5 inches being too small. I mean, damn.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord, somebody sponsor me. Get me an impact wrench. You gotta tell you what, you hold it on the nut and I'll wrench it.
All right, go ahead.
You got it?
Yep.
Oh wait, am I going the right way?
If it's loose, one.
I don't know. I can't really tell.
You got it on.
Yeah, my arm ain't bending that way. All right, see if you can turn that by hand.
There's no way. Try to do this.
Now try. There you go. Because we're a team. A T-double-E-M.
Man, that thing was off. Okay, that's off of there. Where did you lay the bolt at?
Just right over there somewhere.
Is that the only one that was on it, strap? I mean the only
Well,
bolt?
the strap's underneath that board.
But the bolts, that was all the bolts in it.
Yeah. Yeah, everything's loose.
Can you let it down? Maybe you ought to watch the lines, make sure nothing in the way.
Well, I gotta get the filler here. Yeah, just easy though. Oh, easy.
Well, it actually did it on its own.
Huh? Do what?
It actually did it on its own come down, but now the jack's always down. I have to take the jack out.
Well, got the fuel tank out. That was kind of a mule. Wasn't as easy as that video makes it seem like, but so it looks to me like we're not sure where it's leaking yet, but I think it's leaking. It's obviously leaking right there somewhere. You can wiggle the lines and see it's definitely been leaking there somewhere.
If I can blow in it.
Why would you blow in it? What are you doing?
Don't feel no pressure. Head pressure.
Yeah. Does it taste good?
Yeah.
I'm not too sure where it's leaking at, but hopefully it's not the top of the tank right there leaking.
Well, I don't see how it would be.
Well, you ain't got enough gas in there for it to leak it out of that tank, like
No,
right there.
it does it when it runs. Remember, it was throwing it out.
Yeah.
So there ain't no way it's coming to the top.
Yeah, it's got to be coming out of them lines.
Yeah. Because everybody said that's what it does, the line stuff.
Replace the whole thing. Yes, indeed.
Came off like that.
I get.
Oh, like that?
Yep. See how these get
All
that notch, and then it sits on the notch there. Alright, so yeah, we did figure out that it was leaking right there.
Yeah, see? See it coming out.
See it all coming out there, yeah.
That's what they all do.
Alright. So the fuel pump actually is probably not bad. It's just that the whole connection right there.
What the hell's that thing gonna do? Let's get on there. Yeah.
Like the line down in there. Strainer's pretty dirty too, isn't it?
Well, it didn't come with a strainer. This one didn't.
It don't come with a strainer?
It didn't have that on it. That's what I was wondering too, why it didn't.
You mean tell me we gotta put that old ass strainer back on it?
Yep, let me put it out here a minute.
Well, that's just stupid. Yep. There ain't a lot of dirt down in there, so we're good. Do what now? That's stupid that it don't come with a strainer. Are you sure? Did you pull this thing out?
Yeah.
All the way out?
Yeah. It didn't come with a strainer or a metal piece.
Hell no, it don't.
I mean, this is alright.
Wait, are you sure it's the same pump? Let me look at the bottom of
it's the
it.
same one.
Oh, I see how it goes on there.
It's the same one.
No, it ain't either.
That calls for this car.
Wait a second here.
That's for this car. I know that's exactly for this car. That's the one for this car.
Well, how would the strainer even go on there?
Well, I don't know, but that's...
Unless this one has one that's internal.
Well, maybe it does.
Cause see, the bottom of it ain't the same.
Well, they say it goes for
Cause
this car.
see how the strainer plugs in on the bottom?
Yeah, it says it's for this car.
This one ain't like it. This might, here, tear that now there. That might have one that's already in there. Hopefully it does.
Well, this is what it calls for, this car.
Let me see.
I mean, this is what it calls for. I don't put this, and I already put this one right here. I did that myself.
Wait,
I put that on myself. It's right.
are you sure?
Yeah.
It looks bent. I
That's
think that's supposed to bend out, ain't
straight out, maybe.
it? Yeah.
Maybe it got bent out one there. I don't see how. I mean, shit. What if I use that one?
I mean, it could if it.
I mean, it worked.
Yeah, it works fine.
I put this on here.
Shit, my thing is, I just wonder if it's got a strainer. It must be on the inside.
No, this ain't gonna work on there. There's no way that's gonna work on there.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's bent. You just got to straighten that out a little bit.
I don't
Down in there. Get that fly out there.
Stuff her in there again.
Oh. Well, before you go to push it down in there, let's run that thing back up on.
This way.
Yeah. That way we can get that thing ready.
How about these lines like this?
Well, you have to turn it. Well, hold on. You got. Well, hold on. You got to turn. Wait. You got to turn the pump a little bit. So you got to get these tabs, not be on those. On the Wait, here you got to turn the pump a little bit so you don't hit the tabs on there.
Turn it in back more, right?
Yeah. You push it down in there, and then you can let the pump turn a little bit, probably. There we go.
Got it. Ooh.
Spit on it.
If you tap it.
All right. We didn't film a lot of this job because obviously this is not a how-to video, because we had to watch a how-to video for us to be able to do it. The only problem is I didn't even watch the video. He watched the video, but I think we got it, and it was a mule being on the ground and getting this tank back up under there the way it's supposed to be. But I think we got everything hooked up. Get all the lines. All kinds of dirt and mud in my eyes.
I'll wait till you get out and I'm gonna do this.
Alright. Hey, look, you can go ahead and let this jack down.
You want to check all the bolts again real quick, maybe?
What bolts? The straps?
Yeah.
No, I got them tight. Unless the only one you had was that one over there. Did you tighten it?
I'm pretty sure it is. Let's see.
As long as you tighten that one, the rest of them's tight. Yeah, that's good. We should be good to roll then. Oh my God! That scared the shit out of me. Woo! You guys about witnessed me getting squished by a car. That ain't funny.
Look, now get me a little, like it'll be alright.
Where's my rag? I'll clean this one. Alright, I think I got everything.
I want to put this
Everything hooked back up. Oh, there's my piece. I was looking for that. Ow! No. They laughs at my hair.
I'm going to put my pipe back in the hanger.
Yeah. Alright.
Ah, oh boy, I'll be done this time.
So a little bit of gas might do the trick.
Woo, yeah.
Well, I tell you, this is kind of a mule of a trick on the ground. We have to jack the front of the car up a little bit.
Well, they save labor.
Huh?
Save $100 labor bill, don't they?
Oh yeah. Give us a couple hours of cussing and fussing and chlebibing.
Yep.
And you know, at the dealership, they claim it takes 2 hours to do this also.
Yeah.
And they got it a lot easier than we did.
And we did it in 2 hours.
How it was said. They probably do 1 hour at a time.
My God, West Virginia. So, we got the fuel pump in, got the tank back up in there. It was a mule, and had a little trouble getting the thing to run because apparently the computer needed to be reset. So reset the computer and purred like a kitten. It's running good, and as you see, he's gone. And he took off, and now we are actually working on CRV. Really, the only thing I needed to do to it today, which is something I have put off for a little while, which needs to get done, is I just need to rotate my tires. So front to back, that's it. So I already got the driver's side done. I just need to do passenger side now. But and we're going to follow up. We'll catch up with my crazy uncle later on tonight and check, see how the car is doing.